Hi friends, by using the Google Classroom app, most of the students or the little children's parents are facing the problem couldn't attach drive file. Here is the solution how to save file and attach our files and send to teacher. First we need to select the picture which we want to share through Google Classroom. Select the share button and select the save to drive option. Here we can change the document title as like the subject name or student name. The next step is the account. This is the main part. Please make sure that the file is attaching in student's mail ID that the school has given, not in our personal mail ID. That is the main part. Now you can see our file is uploading to the drive, the Google Classroom drive. The next step is open the Google Classroom and select the add attachment. Here we can see the plus button. Then select the drive option. From that we select we can see the list of files I already sent. Here we can see the file that last attached uploaded to Google Classroom. Now select the file name and here is ready to attach. It will take some time. Yes, it is ready. Then select the turn in option. Yes, it is ready to attach. By selecting the turn in option, the work is submitted to the desired class teacher. I think this will help all of you. Thank you.